Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you the calculation of packing fraction of HCP lattice and also the calculation of C by A ratio of a hexagonal system. In one of my previous videos, I calculated the packing fraction of diamond crystal, which is complicated than the simple cubic FCC and BCC system. Here also HCP is complicated than simple cubic FCC and BCC system. Now for calculating the packing fraction of any system, we have to keep in mind three things. I also told it in one of my previous videos, and these three things are the number of atom per unit cell. Second thing is that what is the volume of the unit cell, and third thing is that what is the relations between the radius of the atom and the lattice parameter. Now for hexagonal system, for calculating the volume of the hexagon, we have to consider two things. One is the edge length of the base, here it is denoted by A, and another is the height of it. Now think about the base of the hexagon. The base of the hexagon is composed of 6 triangles and they all are equilateral triangle. The length is A. Now the volume of the hexagon is that 6 into area of the triangle into the height of the hexagon, which is denoted by C here. Now the area of the triangle is that, as it is equilateral triangle, then area is equal to half into base into height. Here base ED is equal to A and height is equal to OB. Now we have to calculate what is the value of OB. Now OB is equal to, now the angle ODB is equal to 60 degree and tan 60 degree is equal to OB by BD. Then BD is equal to here A by 2. You can see that as ED is equal to A, then BD is equal to A by 2, and putting this value we can get OB is equal to √3 A by 2. Now what is the area of the triangle ODE is that half into base is equal to ED, that is equal to A, into the height OB, that is √3 A by 2. That is the area of the triangle is √3 A squared by 4 and the height of the hexagon is C. So the volume of hexagon is equal to 6 into area of the each triangle, that is √3 A squared by 4 into the height of the triangle, that is C. So the volume of hexagon is equal to 6 into √3 A square into C divided by 4. Now what is the packing fraction of the system? That is the number of atom into the volume of per atom is radius of the atom is R, then volume is 4/3 pi r cube, and one of my previous video I calculated the number of atom per unit cell of a hexagonal system is 6. So the packing fraction is equal to the volume occupied by the atom divided by the volume of the unit cell. So volume occupied of the atom is 6 into 4/3 pi r cube divided by volume of hexagon, which I just calculated, is 6 into √3 A square C divided by 4. Now by calculating it, we can get the packing fraction is equal to 16 pi r cube divided by 3 √3 A square into C. Now we have to calculate what is the relation between the radius of the atom and the edge length? This is very simple. Just think about that. In one edge length, there are two atoms. So if the radius is r, then a is equal to 2r. Now by putting r is equal to a by 2, we can get packing fraction is equal to 2 pi a divided by 3 root 3 into c. So here unknown is what is the value of a by c. Now we have to calculate it. It is somewhat difficult. Not difficult for calculation, it is difficult for imagination, as it is a 3-dimension figure. For calculating the C by A ratio, first of all, we have to consider some atoms. Here we consider 3 red colored atom in base and 1 blue colored atom in center position. Now join them up like this way, and after joining this, what structure we got, just figure out in the right side like that. This type of structure we get. Now bisect the angle DOG, and by bisecting the angle and joining with the atom with D, we can get a right angle triangle OBD. Now draw the OBD triangle like that, and as it is right angle triangle, so and the right angle is the DBO angle. So OB square plus BD square is equal to OD square. Now BD is equal to C by 2, that is the height of the hexagon by 2, and OD is equal to A. The distance between two atoms is the edge length of the hexagon. OD is the distance between two atoms, that is one red color atom and the blue color atom, and it is A. Hence OB square is equal to A square minus C square by 4. Now if we can calculate the value of OB, then we can get a relation between the A and C. To calculate the value of OB, again consider a right angle triangle OBF, and in case of OBF, the right angle is the BFO, and as the angle BOF is the bisecting angle of DOG, hence the angle DOF is equal to 30 degree, as DOG is equal to 60 degree. Hence cos 30 degree is equal to OF by OB. Again OF is equal to OG by 2, and OG is equal to edge length, that is A by 2. By putting the value of OF and cos theta, we can get OB is equal to A by root 3. Now just put the value OB in the equation. OB square is equal to A square minus C square by 4, and by putting this you can get C square by A square is equal to 8 by 3. Now C by A is equal to root over of 8 by 3, which is equal to 1.633. Now equation for packing fraction is equal to 2 pi a divided by 3 root 3 into c. Here unknown was the value of c by a ratio. Now we get it. The value of c by a ratio is equal to 1.633, and putting this value in the packing fraction equation, we can get packing fraction is equal to 0.74, and converting it into percentage by multiplying it by 100, we can get the packing fraction is equal to 74%. So it is also equal to the packing fraction of the FCC system. So HCP is also a FCC system. That's all about the packing fraction of the HCP system. If you have any query regarding this video, please comment on it, and thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.